Good morning, students. Today we are going to start new topic, that is proportional. What is mean by proportional? If A is to B and C is to D, then A, B, C, D are now the first, second, third. A, B, C, D are known as first, second, third, fourth terms respectively. इनको बोलते हैं terms. And D is the fourth proportional of A, B, C. D को क्या बोलेंगे? Fourth proportional of A, B, C. And these A and D are called extreme. A and D are called extreme and BC mean of the proportionals. BC को क्या बोलेंगे? Mean of the proportionals. And product of extreme means AD is equal to BC. ये होता है. Product of extreme is equal to product of mean. Next, continuous proportional. 3 and more non-zero quantity are said to be continuous proportional if the ratio of first to second, second to third, third to fourth, and so on. कंटिन्यू प्रोपोर्शनल का मतलब हुआ द रेशियो फर्स्ट टू सेकंड एज रेशियो सेकंड टू थर्ड एंड एज टू रेशियो थर्ड टू डी एंड सो ऑन. इसको बोलते हैं कंटिन्यू प्रोपोर्शनल. If A is to B and C is to D, then A and D are called extremes of the proportional and BC means of the proportional. And this means AB is equal to C by D. Now cross multiply, we get AD BC. BC means product of mean and AD product of extreme. Product of extreme. Now some example on the basis of the proportional means and extreme value. Now first example, find the value of A if 3 is to A and 7 is to 14. ये given है. A की वैल्यू फाइंड करनी है. This can be written as 3 by A is equal to 7 by 14. Then A by 3 is equal to 14 by 7 and A is equal to 14 by 7 into 3, that is 42 by 7. A की वैल्यू आ जाएगी. Now next example, find the value of fourth proportional to. Find the fourth proportional to a square minus ab plus b square a cube plus b cube and a minus b। हमारे पास तीन टर्म्स हैं, हमें फोर्थ प्रोपोर्शनल चाहिए। सॉल्यूशन, लेट x बी द फोर्थ प्रोपोर्शनल then this implies fourth proportional a square minus ab plus b square is to a cube plus b cube a minus b is to x। हमने मान लिया लेट x विद द फोर्थ प्रोपोर्शनल, x को फोर्थ प्रोपोर्शनल लिखा तो ये हमने ऐसे लिख लिया। एंड this can be written as a square minus ab plus b square divided by a cube b cube, a square minus ab plus b square divided by a cube plus b cube is equal to a minus b divided by x। Now cross multiply, we get x is equal to a minus b a cube plus b cube divided by a square minus ab plus b square, and a cube plus b cube is equal to a minus b a square minus ab plus b square a square divided by a square minus ab plus b square, ये कैंसिल, दिस विल बी इक्वल टू a minus b square। तो x की वैल्यू क्या आ जाएगी, a minus b square। इसमें फोर्थ प्रोपोर्शनल फाइंड करना था, उसको हम मान लेते हैं x। नाउ नेक्स्ट फाइंड द थर्ड प्रोपोर्शनल। इसी तरह आ सकता है थर्ड प्रोपोर्शनल to 18:12। इसका थर्ड प्रोपोर्शनल फाइंड करना है, हम मान लेते हैं लेट x बी द थर्ड प्रोपोर्शनल so this can be written as third proportional 18:12, 12 is to x। इसको हम ऐसे लिख सकते हैं। एंड दिस कैन बी रिटन एज बाय द फ्रैक्शन वैल्यू 18/12 is equal to 12 by x, and cross multiply x is equal to 4 से डिवाइड 3 से डिवाइड किया 6 4 6 से डिवाइड कर दो 2 3 4 8 x is equal to 8, x is equal to 8 be the required third proportional of 18:12। Now mean proportional, find the mean proportional between square root 27 minus square root 18 and square root 27 plus square root 80, इनका मेन प्रोपोर्शनल फाइंड करने है. लेट x be the mean proportional so this can be written as square root of 27 minus 18 mean proportional is to x and x is to square root of 27 plus square root of 18. So this can be written as square root of 27 minus square root of 18 by x. X is equal x divided by square root of 27 plus square root of 18, and cross multiply we get x square is equal to square root of 27 in minus square root of 18 into square root of 27 plus square root of 18. A minus b, a plus b, then 27 squaring of square root of 27 minus squaring of root 18, 27 minus 18, 9. X square is equal to 9, then x is equal to 3. So 3 be the main proportional between these two numbers. Now next question. Now next example, which list number must be added to each of the following numbers, each of the numbers 16, 7, 79 and 43 so that the resulting numbers are in proportional. इस नंबरों में क्या ऐड करें कि ये जो नंबर है ये प्रोपोर्शनल हो जाए. इसी तरह क्वेश्चन भी आ सकता है, इस नंबर में से क्या सब्ट्रैक्ट करें, वो भी सेम क्वेश्चन ही रहेगा. हम मान लेते हैं लेट x be the required number so that 16 plus x is to 7 plus x, 79 plus x is to 43 plus x. ये प्रोपोर्शनल हो गए. So this can be written as 16 plus x divided by 7 plus x is equal to 79 plus x divided by 43 plus x. Then cross multiply 16 plus x 40 into 43 plus x is equal to 7 plus x into 79 plus x, and multiply these two. Plus 7 and x so that 86x minus 59x is equal to 688 minus 553. 27x is equal to 5, 3, 1. Then x is equal to 135 divided by 27. That is 5. X is equal to 5 is the required number. That must be added to each number, so the resultant numbers are in proportion. Now next example. Next question. If three quantities are in continuous proportional, prove that the first is to third. First is to third means A by C. यदि हम मान ले A, B, C are in continuous proportionals, so AC first to third. First is to third is the duplicate ratio of the first to second. Duplicate ratio means A square by B square. ये प्रूव करना है. Let A, B and C are in continuous proportional. Then A is to B and B is to C. So A by B is equal to B by C. हमें वैल्यू चाहिए A by C. A by C. तो हम इसको क्या करें? B by C से अगर इसको मल्टीपल कर दें तो B से B कैंसिल, C बच जाएगा. मल्टीप्लाई बोथ साइड by B by C. So A by B into B by C is equal to B by C तो next example, three numbers are in continuous proportional. Their mean proportional is 20, and sum of the first and third is 58. Find the number. Let A, B, C are in continuous proportional, then A is to B and B is to C. This implies A by B is equal to B by C. So cross multiply we get B square is equal to AC, where we have given that B is equal to 20, mean proportional. बी जो है इसमें मीन प्रोपोर्शनल, बी इज द मीन प्रोपोर्शनल ए एंड सी। अगर ये हमारे पास कंटिन्यू प्रोपोर्शनल है तो बी क्या रहेगा, मीन प्रोपोर्शनल। तो बी की वैल्यू दिया हुआ है, दिस इम्प्लाई बी स्क्वायर मीन्स 400 AC, and also we have given that sum of first and third is 58. First and third AC is equal to 58. Then C is equal to 58 minus A. From first and second we get 400 A, 400 is equal to AC and C is equal to 58 minus A. Then we get A 58A minus A square is equal to 400. Then A square minus 58A plus 400. This is a quadratic equation, and factorize this, we get A square minus 50A minus 8A plus 400 is equal to 0. We get A is equal to 8 or 50. When A is equal to 8, if A is equal to 8, then C is equal to 58 minus 8, 50. B have given that, B है अपने पास है 20. So required number 8, 20, 50 is the required number. Similarly, if A is equal to 50